The Source 1 menu is used to route an input source to each speaker. Any input on the amp may be routed to any output on the amp. Settings within the same output group are interlocked, therefore only one change is required per output group. The Source 2 menu is used to select a secondary source that can either override or be mixed with Source 1. The Mode Source 2 menu is used to dictate how Source 2 will be utilized. There are 3 settings. Off is the default setting and disables the Source 2 feature. Mute will cause Source 2 to override Source 1 anytime audio is present. Mix will cause Source 2 to be mixed with Source 1 anytime audio is present.